Now we'll take up one more problem on projections of laminas. Problem number 118. How to solve this by using AutoCAD software. A pentagonal lamina having edges 25 mm is placed on one of its corners on VP, such that the surface makes an angle of 30 degrees with VP, and perpendicular bisector of the edge passing through the corner on which the lamina rests is inclined at 45 degrees to HP. Draw the top and front views of the lamina. So to solve this problem by using AutoCAD, so now first we will go to this solution, what we have here. So we need to transfer this sketch to AutoCAD. So to do that, first we'll go for the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. The command is limits, specify lower left corner 0, 0, accepted, upper right corner 297, 210. Then zoom all. Then go to line, select some arbitrary point on the lower left corner, click on first button of the mouse and drag the mouse towards the right side, take some distance and click on first button of the mouse. Again you drag the mouse towards the top side, take some distance and click on first button of the mouse. Then go to offset, take the distance as 297, select this vertical line and offset to the left side, and then go to offset, take the distance as 210, select this horizontal line and offset to the top side. Then go to zoom extents, zoom 0.65x. Then go to fillet between this vertical line and this horizontal line, and this horizontal and this vertical line and this vertical line and this. Now we'll go for layer, click on new layer. So we need to create the layer by name XY. So we create the layer by name XY, enter. Again you click on new, type the layer by name front view. Click on new, type the layer by name top view. Click on new, type the layer by name locus, because we need to find out the apparent inclination. So we need to have the locus line. So the layer 0, always the projector lines will be on layer 0. So the line weight of this is 0.05 because projector lines will always be 0.05. Click on this. Then layer XY will go to click on line weights, take it as 0.13 and say OK. The front view will going to have 0.5 and click on OK. And the top view will also have the line 0.5. OK. Then the locus line will going to have 0.05. Then go to line weight of locus or line type of locus. Click on continuous. So by default, we will always have the loaded line type as continuous. So first we need to load the dash dot line types. To do that, first we'll go to load, take the cursor here and type D dash dot. So select the dash dot line type, click on OK, and now the loaded line type will going to have dash dot here. Then you click on dash dot and say OK. Then only that will going to be changed here. Then the top view will going to have magenta color. You click on OK, and the front view will going to have blue color and say OK, and then close it. So this is the initial setup of the drawing. So now we need to now we need to draw the drawing. So to do that, first we'll go for a polygon command, take the number of sides as 5, select the edge option. So now here first we need to create the polygon here. So first click on the edge point and drag this towards the top side and take this distance as 25, and then draw a line from the horizontal line of any distance. Then go to zoom window, you select this and go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Similarly, go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line, and similarly line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between this line and this, and similarly between this line and this. Now you select this line, go to layer, make that layer as front view, and again escape, then click on this, go to layer, make that layer as top view. Once you do that, then go to break, select this line, break first point, take int of this and take at the rate and enter. At the rate and enter. So go to break, select this, take first point int of this and say enter. So now we have this line. Then go to line weight display and you switch on this. Then go to zoom previous. Now we need to copy this first position at some distance and then rotate that by an angle of 30 degrees. So to do that, first go to copy, select this by window, then go to first plate for displacement, select some arbitrary point, and again you drag the mouse by keeping the ortho mode on, so that you are going to have the second placement of displacement at some distance from the initial displacement. So you take that point and just click on arbitrary point at some distance, so that you will going to get the same position has been copied here. Then go to rotate, select this entire thing by selecting the window, then go to end point, base point, rotate, select this entire thing, enter, base point, end of this. Now you need to rotate by an angle of 30 degree in clockwise, so minus 30 degree. If you give plus 30, it will go in anti-clockwise. Then go to zoom window, select this, then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw a horizontal line. Then go to line, take end point of this and draw perpendicular to this. You will get this point. Then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, and again you take this line, int of this and draw a horizontal line. Then go to line, take end point of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly, then go to fillet between this line and go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and this as object to trim. Then go to line, take int of this and then go to line, take int of this, then go to line, take endpoint of this and then draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge, object to trim as these three. Then go to line, take int of this, take intersection point of this, take int of this and take intersection point of this and take int of this. Then go to break, select this line, first point, take int of this and say @ Then go to break, select first point, take int of this and say @. Then break, first point, take int of this and say @. Now you select these 5 edges and then convert this into front view now. So select this as the front view layer. Now we need to go for a line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line of any distance. Similarly from here, int of this on this side. Then go to line. So now we need to take the angle by 45 degree. So to do that, go to line, select nearest point on this line at the rate 100 less than 45 degrees. Now we are going to take the dimensions. To do that, first we'll go for DDIM, select modify. So primary unit precision, you take it as up to second decimal point and go to text, select this as 3, align with the dimension line, text placement is above and offset from the dimension line as 3. Symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3 and go to lines and symbols. Select this offset from the origin as 3 and say OK and say close. Now we need to go for dim. You select this intersection, go to dim, select this intersection point and you select this intersection point. So you will go to get 38.47 and similarly go to intersection point of this and take int of this and you will go to get it as 33.32. Now you just go to circle command, draw a circle through nearest point, take the radius as 38.47 and then go to break, select this circle and break this till here and similarly select this arc and break this here. Then go to erase it, then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and object to trim as this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line and now you have to take the 33.32. So they go to circle, take center point of this circle and then go to radius as 33.32. Then go to break, select this circle and break this till here, and you select this arc and break this till here. Then go to erase all these things which is not required. So once you do that, now we need to copy this. So go to copy, select this entire drawing by selecting the window, and then enter base point, intersection point of this. So that intersection point should be the center of this, so that you will going to copy this here. Once you copy this here, then we need to rotate to that angle. So that means A dash M dash, that is this line should be placed on this particular inclination. So to do that, so now we have this line has to be copied here or rotated here. So to do that, then go to rotate, select this object as the entire thing, you select it. Then go to base point, take int of this. Then go to reference. Reference by default it is 0 degree because it is already in the horizontal line. If you want, you can take int of this. If you don't want, then you just give angle as 0. Specify new angle, you take this as int of this. So it will be automatically, it will going to be rotated. Then go to break this line till here. Then go to move. You just break this also. Then go to move, select this and place it wherever you want. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, and take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly, line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between this and this. Then go to line, take int of this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly, line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take int of this, take intersection point of this and take int of this and take intersection point of this and take int of this. Then go to break, select this first point, take int of this and say @. Now you go to this 5 lines and say layer, make that layer as top view. Once you do that, you select this layer, go to locus layer and then say line type as 5. You're going to get this line. Then go to break this line till here, and similarly you break this line till here. Then go to zoom previous, then go to zoom window, then you just go to move, select this entire drawing and move it wherever you want. And now we need to go for the dimensioning. So just go to DDIM, then go to modify. So you just go to primary units, make that linear dimension precision as 0 and say OK and say close. Now we go for dim. So go to intersection point of this, you switch off this ortho mode and take int of this. So you will going to get this as 25. Then go to angular, select this between these two. So you're going to get 30 degrees. Then go to angular, select this line and you select this line. So you're going to get it as 45 degree. Then go to angular, select this line and you select this line. Then go to text, then you give space and enter. So we will going to get this. Then go to dim TED, extruded dimension, select this and you keep it 30 degree here. Then you select this and you make it 45 degree here. Then go to detext. So click on this, type the text height as 3 and then rotation angle as 0. Type capital X, you take VP, you take HP and you mark this as Y. Then here you mark this as A dash, this as B dash and this as C dash and this as D dash, and this as E dash, and this as M dash. Similarly here you mark this as A, B, C, and here in bracket D, then in bracket E, and here in bracket M. That is the top view. Then go to move, switch off this ortho mode. So you take it X and you mark this as VP and you mark this as HP. So then go to A dash, then B dash. All these things which can be done by using move command. Move requires base point and also second point of displacement. As we see at the command area, it will say select objects, you select this, enter, specify base point, you select some point, and second point of displacement, you click wherever you want. Then similarly, you can do for all the points, we are repeating the same thing. Then just go to C, then D, then M, then E. So once you do that, so you select A dash, B dash, C dash, M dash, D dash, and E dash. Go to layer and you click on this. Go to layer, make that as front view. Then you take this entire thing in the top view and select this as top view. So once you do that, now we will go to copy this. Copy A and copy B and copy C, and again you copy D, then again you copy M, and again you copy E. Now we need to copy this A dash, and that A dash will come here, and then B dash, that B dash will come here. Then you copy C dash, that C dash will come here. Then you copy M dash, that M dash will come here. Then you copy D dash, that D dash will come here. And you copy E dash, that E dash will come here. Now once you do that, then go to D text, you type A, you type B, you type C, you type D, you type E. Then you just move it. So you take A and you type move B, you move C, you move D, you move E. Then you just go to M text, select this, and here you make it to formatting. Select this, type symbol. So you select that, you type A, which is alpha. So now you just select this top view points and change this layer to top view. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing by using AutoCAD, and this drawing are one and the same. So the projections, directions of projections is need not to be shown. So that is the reason why we have not shown the projections of directions of projections. So this is how you will be able to complete the solution by using AutoCAD software. Thank you.